Hello, I would like to tell you my journey with pop-on veneers. 3 years ago, I tried them, I loved them, and the reason why I got them was about 2015, my husband passed away, and I stopped caring for my teeth, and I didn't really care anymore, and I was like wanting to fix my teeth to look better. So I went to the dentist. I got a quote and all this dental work that they wanted to do. It was for about $17,000. I don't have $17,000 to work on my teeth. It would be nice, but I don't. So I went online, I did some research, and I found the pop-on veneers. It was, and it still is, the best option for me because I still don't have the best teeth because I'm still poor, which is okay, but I want better teeth, better looking teeth. This is how they look right now. The bottom's okay, but the tops, they're embarrassing. So I do have them. I got replacements. They last a long time, but I have replacements. And these are them, and it comes in a case. These look so much better. And I like them. I love them because it gives me my smile back. If you guys are thinking about getting them, I highly recommend it. I got the tan because they match my color of teeth. Thank you very much for listening. And thank you, Pop-On Veneers. You're still the best. I love you.